Good afternoon, Judy Allen here, also known as Nana with Zoe, and we are in San Antonio, Texas. Which way do I need to go? There you go. We're in San Antonio, Texas today, where I am in my normal environment, and Zoe is visiting. So, today we have the new kit, and it goes beautifully with last month's kit. And it also has some coordinating add-on 5x7 cards that I can't lay my hands on at the moment because we cleaned up for all the company coming in and filled the stuff for the Christmas tree. So I know I'll locate it before we get to Friday, but I don't have it today. We'll see what we can do though for improvising. All right? So you ready? Yeah. Let's go down the hands and let's do this because this is really fun and cute kit, right? And this is the day we also sit there and do door prize drawing. Yay. So today isn't about making cards. It's about making treat holders, or you can make it into, or it could be a gift. It could be actually even you can make it somewhere to put a present in too if you want to, right? Okay, so Zoe says I have the first one, and actually this is much easier than you can think. So Zoe's going to help me out here. Keep me. Oh, hey, I did that. You did those all for me, right? And I spilled them all over the place. Okay. So these are actually going to go in the window. So it has me doing what first? Has me stamping the sentiment first.
Yes.
All right. So I have to open this up here. And if you're out there, be sure to say hi, because we put everything in the drawing. What else do I need? So this came with Mossy Meadow is the color that we got here. What you looking for, kiddo?
The tags.
Oh, the tags? Okay.
Apparently.
So what kind of tag am I using on this one?
The little bow tie tag.
Okay.
It has like the bow tie.
Yep, okay. All right, and I'm stamping warm wishes.
Warm wishes from our home to yours.
Okay, and which way do I have the tag going? I have the tag going this way. Okay. All right, because we're going to be tying some string, I see there. So this is really cool, and I'll tell you why. Because we're actually doing a bingo, a holiday bingo, for our customers and also our team members on the 9th. So this is a great way to give somebody some gifts, right? Put something inside of it. A nice surprise that they can't just up and see. There you go. All right, I got my warm wishes down here. All right, what's next for me? So I already know this much. This is a treat. So I'm always going full my score lines, right?
You put these things on each of the
wreaths?
Windows. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put the wreaths on each of the windows. And I'm doing this dimensionals?
Yeah, dimensionals.
All right. And these are some nice size dimensionals, too. So actually, compared to what we normally deal with, this is pretty simple, right? Most probably the biggest challenge is going to be me like tying a bow or something.
Most likely.
Most likely. All right, I'm just putting one of these in each of these windows. Yeah. Wow. You know, it'd be nice if it was just that easy to put them in my own true windows, right? Yes, we already know. So I don't know about you guys. Hello, Jennifer. We have already got the trees up and started decorating on one. And we're going to lights on the other ones. And we got some other folks out there, family members, putting up some decorations outside. So it's a team effort. And we've all been doing some popcorn, right? So how many strands did you do? One. All right. How many strands did Nana do? Do you know? More than one.
About like 4.
Or more? 4 more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of them was really long, so like basically 2.
So the key to stringing the popcorn though is if you let the thread hang down as you're doing it, it's like it just goes down real easy and you just keep on funneling it, it just slides down on its own. So that's how I was able to do it so fast. But it's always fun because we get to eat the popcorn too while we're stringing it, right? Yeah. So yeah. There we go. So we're not going to finish everything most likely until next week when she's back again. All right, so what do I do next from here? They have me what doing now?
You put these stickers on the gift bag.
Okay, well I'm not going to put my gift in here yet. So, but just so that you know, so what you're doing is once you close up this bag, these are actually stickers. They're going to actually hold this down right here, right? So yeah, I'm not going to do that right now because I am really going to stick something in there. I know one of the things I can do is like the Little Debbie snacks. Do you like those? What do you like? But I can slide it in through here. So how am I going to put this down? Am I going to put this down with what? They have me wrapping the string around here. Oh, we have some tear and tape. Okay, so first they had me putting, did you already cut my ribbon? Yes, you did.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna cut this. We're gonna wrap this around and tie.
Twice, and then put a bow
Twice.
with the neck with this thing.
Okay, so we're gonna wrap this around twice at the top, right?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2. All right, and then I'm gonna. You said make a bow with this. Oh, that'll be fun.
Don't forget
yeah.
to put this in between.
Yep. All right, we can put this right here, and we don't have any bling for this, do we?
No.
No. Okay.
The wreaths are the bling.
The wreaths are the bling. All right, the wreaths are the bling. Okay, so we're just gonna tie this, make a bow. I know Debbie said she's gonna try to get on here today with us because she needs to make hers. She ain't opened her kit yet. So yes, so if you're one of our subscribers and you did not get our email about the free bingo, check your spam. And if you still don't see it there, let me know and we'll make sure to get it to you, okay? Because you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you're a customer of ours, right? That's right. And so you're invited to the bingo, Christmas bingo. All right. I'll let you get that because I've got to turn my phone off. And that happens to be granddaughter number 2. So there we go.
You want me to answer?
Yeah, just tell her we're live and we'll get back to her. So, we're just going to take this here and they have us putting... We're actually, yes, we're actually live right now. You want to join us live?
Sure.
So, we're going to put tear tape here. I love it, right? You gotta love grandkids. Right? You gotta love grandkids. Okay, let me turn this up. See, so she is my guide here, and let's see here. I really can't tell where this. I know part of it's here. I'm trying to see where the other one's at here. It's right here. So what you're doing is it looks like it's so when this goes and folds up like this, it's going to like this right here. And this is going to fold over. So if you sit up here and put this down here, right here on the inside, it's going to help that bag. When you put the bag in there with the snack in it, it's going to help it stay in there without sliding out. So you just want to put it right there, okay? So for the moment, I'm not really going to tack this down. I can tack this one down, and I'm fine with it. Because what I'm going to put in here, I can slide in or I can slide a gift. So that was my thought, is I'm going to slide a gift in here too. Versus just if you can see that. So I'm going to do that. So I can do it both ways, right? I can make it either make it food or I can turn around and make it actually a gift. So I'm actually going to do some gifts in here, and I already know what I'm actually going to put some gift cards in here. And they'll be in their own little thing of its own. And then this will go down here. So this I can go ahead and put down because it's not going to stop me from what I'm doing. And then we'll show you the other one, we'll make the other one. So these are just very easy to make. So yes, if you're watching live, you might be seeing something you'll be receiving. I'm not going to give you any spoiler alerts, but there is a high possibility. So see, then all we're going to do is just match this up and see how it matches over the roof real nice like that. So there we go. Alright, I think cousins are enjoying cousins right now. So, let me go and put this down right here. And I'm not sure, Zoe, are you going to be doing your live or am I doing yours for you?
I guess I'm playing with the kiddos.
She's playing with the kiddos. Alright, she's playing with a cousin she doesn't get to see very often. That's what the holiday's all about. So this is number 1, right? I'm going to set this down right here, and this is number 2. Okay, on this one they have us stamping 'Tis the Season, and actually we're going to make circular. So again, I'm going to fold this all on the score line. See, it's right here. And the same thing as this last one here. We're flipping it over. Let me set this aside. And they have us putting Terra tape on this end right here. Right here. And then we'll come right here as well too. And then over here, I love it, yeah. Sounds like somebody's being, I don't know if he's trying to be a monster or what, but maybe a cookie monster. Or is he being a dinosaur? I don't know, right? Okay, so we have this right here, and this is how this is going to fold over. Right here. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and do mine. Let's see. I can, because it's not going to matter. As I'm looking, guys. I do need to put my ribbon, though, don't I? So I need 25 inches of ribbon. Again, well, that's a lot of ribbon. Well, it's twine, really, right? Okay, it's not a problem, because I've got... I love it. Right? I'm going to move this down right here to 15. And then another 10. right here. And there we go. We have ours to wrap around the top just like we did the other one. And we're going to stamp 'Tis the Season, which I know she's already got that on a block. Alright, put that aside. Let me get a circle. So yes, so this is, like I said, really easy to make. And I already know I have at least 10 plus to sit there. I'm trying to think how many. I lost count, but I know at least 8. And I have at least another 10 for sure, right? So I know I've got to make more, and I'm looking. Here we go. So this is a real cute stamp set, right? Because it also has a stamp in here, so you can stamp a house, your front door, and color it. It also has a cute little dog here as well that's running. And then it even has you can do some presents as well too. So just a lot of cuteness going on here. Yeah, it's funny. The kids have been out of school all week, and naturally they call today. What do you think? All right, so we're gonna wrap this right here. I think it's funny, right? It's just the way life goes. It's just the way life goes. So you'll have to tell me what you guys do for your Christmas, Thanksgiving holiday season, because we're actually through with Thanksgiving, right? But your holiday season, because for us, it's getting the trees up right now and the outdoor decorations, which we have nice weather. It's not super cold outside. And you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and tie this in a knot. It make my life a lot easier than trying to hold it down, tie things, put this all on and all. Just going to do this here. So actually, yes, Zoe has been sidetracked to talk to her cousins. They're her younger cousins. Sophia is 7 and Winston is 3. And we don't live close by each other, so we're talking about 7.5 hours. So this Nana likes, even though we're live and it might be a little disruptive, it is so nice to hear little kids, right? And hear the little cousins get together, and you know, the little cousins always look over to the older cousins. They want to play with them. Even sometimes the older cousins may like be frowning. But hey, you know what? Zoe has an older cousin that's 10 years older, and guess what? When she was younger, he sat up there and put up with the younger cousins. So now it's their turn to put up with the younger cousins. Just the way it goes, right? Alright, so I'm just going to do this. And they just think the world of them, right? They just think the older cousin walks on water, does nothing wrong. They just think they're the best thing since sliced bread. Okay, so we got this on here, and we have this right here. We already put this on. So the only thing we're lacking now is there's 3 wreaths that we're going to put on this one. They have you putting, so we're going to make sure, they have you putting a wreath on the door and the wreath on the 2 windows. And just like a while ago, we're just going to use dimensionals. And you have plenty of these in here, so it's not like you have to worry about running out, because they always make sure you have plenty of extras. Put this in here, and I'm going to put some dimensionals. Here we go. So, as you can see, this has already got glitter on these already, right here. So, in last month on the cards, you had to put the glitter on here. These you do not. And they actually had a glitter bottle and all that. So this one you don't. And you just have to make sure it dries on the other ones. But I like the fact that this all got real pretty, real sparkly, real Christmassy. And that's what makes it all so special.
She's doing something.
And I hate to tell them, right? So when Nana gets through, Zoe has to go home. So she's got to go for a drive. 2-hour drive. But they can enjoy her while they can. Alright, so I've got this right here and this here. So all we're going to do is I'm going to leave this right when I go to put my treats in there. And I'm going to go and get this down right here. And then the only other thing I have to do here is just put a gift in here. Whether it's a treat, whether it's an actual gift, like a gift card. I already know some special peeps that are going to get some gift cards. This Nana has already been scoping out what they like, right? So there you go. So here we go. Here's one right here, and this is going to go over here. 'Tis the Season with the bow. And then we have this one here with Warm Wishes. So they're just both very simple and easy to make. All that's lacking is, like I said, put this on the inside, and these are food safe. And like I said, you have a sticker right here that matches everything, and it goes over here. So you have this here, And it coordinates very nicely with last month's cards, right? As well as the add-on kit. You got the add-on kit, which I did. I have to locate. So I had the add-on kit. That will match nicely too. So both match really good, right? I can easily give this card with this. I still need to put my glitter on here, liquid glitter. And then these will be done and ready to go. But these are already done, so I don't have to do that. So it's just very simple and easy. It's just about all creating, sharing, and giving, right? And they've just made it very beautiful for you very easily to do that. So I hope you enjoyed that. Today was just short and simple and easy, right? And we're not going to sweat that. It's nice to have some easy sometimes to make our life easier, but we can sit there and do it. And so for these, come 8 to a kit, right? So I can easily make 24 of these because it has 3 kits, but the refills are available too. So if you want your refill, they're available. They're $11.50, but you don't get a stamp set and you don't get an ink block, right? Spot with it. So otherwise, you get everything to make 8 more treat bags, right? Or treat boxes, or treat gifts, or just a gift box, right? So with that, be blessed. Go out there, create, share, and give. And if you're not following us, be sure to follow us here on Facebook. We would like that. And also, if you wouldn't mind, follow us as well on YouTube and Instagram. Be blessed. Have any questions, reach out to us and know. Check your email to make sure you got an email from us about the upcoming Christmas bingo. It's a party for you as our customer and also our team members. All right? Be blessed. Go out there, create, share, and give. And look forward to seeing you on Friday when we do Teach Me Nana. Bye.